How to turn on two-factor authentication on your Facebook. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you on how you can turn on two-factor authentication for extra security on your account. First, head over to your web browser and then search for facebook.com. And once you do that, make sure to log into your account first. And once you have logged into your account, what you can do is tap on your profile at the top right and open your settings and privacy. From here, click on settings. But before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on new videos. And from here, you want to go to Account Center. Just click on it. And here you see different options and your account settings. Now to enable your two-factor authentication, just go ahead and click on Password and Security. And here you will see an option for two-factor authentication. Click on it and choose the account you want to set your two-factor authentication. Right now I want to do Facebook, so I'm just going to click on Facebook. And here you have multiple options. So the authentication app is you have to download it on your phone, and if you click on next, it will give you a QR code or scan it. You can do that. But if you go on and select text message, what you can do is enter a number, or if you have already added a number to your account, it will be inserted by default, and click on next, and it will ask you for an OTP. And finally, the security keys, just click on next and it will register a security key. So you can choose whatever option you want and then click on next, and then you should be good to go. After that, every time you log in, it will ask you for a two-factor authentication as well, and your account will be more secure after this. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.